What's going on, everyone? Today's question comes from M. Thomas. So I'm going to go with Mike. We're going to name him Mike. Mike, I don't know if it's his name. Mike asked, as a fairly new investor, are there any tips, tricks, or methods that you would use to get past the analysis paralysis and feel confident about a property? So the short answer is, Mike, I don't know any tips and tricks other than just putting in the hours, putting in the reps. It's kind of like asking, I know you weren't saying it quite this way, but it's like, is there any tips and tricks to get over like being sore when you first start working out? Not really. I mean, like, yeah, you can massage yourself a little bit, but really you're just going to be sore. And until you do it enough, you're always going to be sore. And so the best tip I can have is make it a regular routine. Make it so you're no longer a newbie, right? In other words, analyze deals every day. In fact, I usually tell people to analyze 100 deals before you get your first offer ready to send. Like before you're even ready to make an offer, analyze 100 properties. Think about it. If you did 3 properties every day for the next month and you ran the numbers, in the beginning, it's going to be painful. You're not going to know what to do. You're not going to know what button to press or how to analyze it correctly or whatever. But after a month of that, you're going to be a rock star. You're going to have all those little things figured out. It's not going to be hard anymore. You're not going to be pain when you work out, so to speak. And so the best tip or trick I have to get past analysis paralysis is just get so good at analyzing deals that you're not afraid to make offers. That you're not nervous because you're confident because you know exactly what you're doing. And that just comes from reps. Now, one thing I could add on there though is one thing to analyze deals, but then take your numbers and go meet with local real estate investors in your market and compare those numbers to what they're doing. Like ask them, hey, does this look about right to you? Now, I'll even say this. Not every investor, even a good investor in your market, is going to actually know their numbers. Like, most investors out there just buy stuff and hope it works out. And at the end of the year, they're actually not making money and they think they are. And so just be careful that even if a local investor says, oh yeah, you're doing fine, make sure you've actually done your numbers to make sure that they're correct. So don't forget to include things like capital expenditures and repairs and property management if you're not going to manage yourself. So Mike or Matthew or McKenna, whatever your name is, thank you for the question. And everyone else, I hope this was helpful for you.